Question number 3 comes in from Bruce Caldwell, T-Dog's husband. And his question is, how do you prevent senior citizens from getting injuries while deadlifting 445 pounds? For Bruce, in particular, Bruce, if you're listening to this, here's how you do it. Wrap yourself up in like a superhero costume or something like that. Throw a cape on and then keep dreaming. Hey, what's up guys? This is Dayne from Easton Fitness checking in with you. Gonna bring a deadlift session to you today. And I brought a featured guest in who's here to kick my ass. Introducing Bruce. This guy's absolutely insane. He's kicking my ass. I quit. All right, folks. Yeah, right. We just finished our workout. It was a good one. As you know, Bruce kicked my ass. But I'm going to train hard and get him back. See you next time.